Today we are going to discuss quantitative aptitude problems related to clock. So let's see. The first question is the angle between the minute hand and hour hand of a clock when the time is 8:30. So the angle we have to find. The time given is 8:30. So this is the clock image. Let's come to the solution. 8:30 is the time, right? So write 8 and then minute value 30. 8 is the hour and 30 is the minute value. Then for 8 you write the same value down, that is 8, and then for 30 you know that in the clock 30 is represented by 6, right? The minute 30, that is represented by the number 6. So you have to replace 30 by 6. That is a minute hand position. Then 8 is the hour and 6 is the minute hand position for the minute value 30, right? So 8 minus 6 you have to find, that is 2. Then 2 into 30. For all clock related problems where you have to find the angle, you have to multiply the difference by 30. Okay, so 2 into 30 plus half of the minute value. Here the minute value is 30. So half of the minute value is 15. 2 into 30 is 60. 60 plus 15 is 75. So 75 is the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand of a clock when the time is 8:30. Okay, so once again I repeat 8 and then 30, and for 30 the hand position is at 6. Okay, so 8 minus 6 you have to do, and that is equal to 2, and then difference 2 into 30. Always you have to multiply the value by 30. 30 plus half of the minute value. The minute value is 30. So half is 15. Okay. So 2 into 30, 60 plus 15. So the answer is 75. Okay. Here is the second question. The hands of the clock shows 5 o'clock. The angle between them is. That is what we have to find. And this is a question which has been asked for the 2022 KMAT entrance. So 5 o'clock. Okay. So here just directly multiply that 5 with 30 and 150 is the answer. If it is 3 o'clock instead of 5 o'clock means 3 into 30. Okay. And that is 90. Enough. So that will be the answer. Okay. If 2 o'clock means 2 into 30. That is 60. That's all. Now the third question. The angle between the minute hand and the hour hand of a clock when the time is 15 minutes past 6. Okay. That means the time is 6:15. The questions can be asked like this. That is 15 minutes past 6. That means 6:15 is the time. And here the same method. 6:15. So minute hand. 15 means a minute hand will be at the position of 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 into 30 plus half of the minute value. Minute value here is 15. So half is 7.5. 3 into 30 is 90 and the answer is 97.5. Okay. Here is the next question. The angle between the minute hand and the hour hand of a clock when the time is 9:50. Same way you have to do 9 and then 50. 9 you have to write the same value 9 and 50 position. In the clock it is at the 10th position. Okay. So 10. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 30 and half of the minute value is to be added. Okay. So minus 1 into 30 plus minute value is 50. So half is 25. So minus 30 plus 25, that is minus 5 here. We cannot write this minus 5 as the angle. So instead of that, we have to find the modulus of minus 5 and that is 5. 5 is the angle. Okay. So the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand when the time is 9:50, the angle is 5. Now the next question, the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand when the time is 10:10. Okay, so it is 10:10. So 10 is the hour and 10 is the minute. The minute 10 is at the position 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 into 30 plus half of the minute, that is 5, and the answer is 245. So this is the answer, right? But in many questions, or suppose in this question, 245 is not there in the option. It can happen like that. Okay, but the answer is 245. We know that clock is, since this is a circle, it is 360 degree. Okay. So here if you notice, two angles are there. This is one angle and this is other angle. See, two angles are there. Okay. So here 245, that is this green angle, this one. And then one more is there. So that can also be in the option. So for that, how we have to find 360 minus 245. Okay. So is it clear? That is, here two angles will be there. 8 into 30 plus half of the minute, that we get 245. But the value is not in the option. At that time, you have to take the other angle. For every clock questions, two angles will be there. Okay. So 360 is the total since this is a circle. So 360 minus 245. Okay. So the answer will be 115. This will be there in the option. Okay. If this is not there, 245 is not there means try in this way and find the answer. Okay. So these are the different methods of clock problems to find the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand. Hope it was clear for you. Thank you.